Okay, so I finished the row to tidy up the fringe, and now we're back to the start again. Now that makes our 3 rounds for the fringe. We did the purl round, we made the fringe, and then we secured the fringe. So now we need to turn our work back around so we're looking at the right side again. So again, here's the dashes. Those are the inside of our work. So I'm physically going to turn my work, and again, my working yarn is going to come from my left needle just for this one round, and I'm going to feed the tails through the middle of my work. And remember that we hung that stitch marker off of the cast on. We're just going to move it so it's more in sight. So I'm just going to hang it off of one of the loops there. So now we're going to do the braid. Now to make the braid, our work comes together, and it's a 1 and 1 braid. So now we're going to do our color, and I like to introduce my new color by laying it across the needle in the back, and then you'll see when I take the first stitch as a cream, it's going to capture that blue, and this round is just going to be a round of 1 and 1. So there I've caught in my green, and now knit 1 cream and knit 1 blue, cream, blue, okay, and you're just going to continue on around, and that's the first round of the braid, and there's 2 more rounds. So we'll pause and I'll finish the round.